Believe me when I say that eating popcorn can actually help you lose weight. Stay tuned and I will explain everything. Because of our busy days, living a healthy lifestyle might be a struggle, especially if you don't know what secret foods can help you hack your fitness journey. Good news, you don't have to rely on exercise alone to burn fat, because today I will be sharing the top 10 best fat burning foods. Make sure you stay tuned until the end, because this list might just surprise you. Your diet plays a huge role in your ability to lose weight. Odds are you have some, or maybe even all, of these foods in your kitchen right now. Here at Healthee, our goal is to guide you on our fitness journey with expert and evidence-based advice and information. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 10. Walnuts. You've probably heard about the health benefits of different types of nuts, but if you're looking to burn fat, then walnuts might just be the answer that you're looking for. Studies have shown that walnuts can do wonders for our weight loss goals. So what makes walnuts so special? Well, according to a 2017 study in the Nutrition Journal, there's a specific ingredient in walnuts that can help you feel fuller for longer. And as we all know, feeling full is a key factor in avoiding unhealthy food cravings and overeating. So, if you're looking for a healthy snack that can really help keep you satisfied and help you lose weight, look no further than walnuts. Number 9. Berries. Baby. Now, I know not everyone is a fan of walnuts, so if you're looking for a snack that's a little bit sweeter, I've got just the thing for you. Berries! In fact, a 2016 study from the Harvard University showed that incorporating strawberries and blueberries into your daily diet can actually help you lose weight in the long run. So, what is it about these berries that makes them so effective for weight loss? Well, as it turns out, berries are high in flavonoids, which have been proven to help the body burn more fat as a form of energy. So, if you're absolutely serious about your fitness journey and you want to make sure you're doing everything you can to achieve your goals, make sure to add some berries to your grocery list. Hey, your taste buds and your waistline will thank you for it. Number 8. Here it is, popcorn. This one, wow you. Attention all chip and junk food lovers out there. If you're looking for a healthy alternative to your favorite snacks, look no further than popcorn. I'm telling you folks, I know it can be tough to break bad habits, especially when it comes to junk food. But with popcorn, you can still indulge in a satisfying snack without sacrificing your health and nutrition goals. A study conducted by the University of Scranton found that popcorn is packed with polyphenols, a key ingredient that can not only benefit your diet, but also contribute to your overall health. In fact, polyphenols have been linked to better blood circulation and improved digestion. Keep in mind though, to get the maximum benefits out of popcorn, it's best to enjoy it without any salt or flavoring. And if you really want to maximize the health benefits, try air popping your popcorn instead of using butter or oil to cook it. So if you love chips, substitute them for popcorn. It's an amazing alternative. Number 7. Avocados. It's likely some of you anticipated this one, no doubt. Similar to other nutritious foods we've discussed, avocados offer ample amounts of vitamin C and E, magnesium, folate, fiber, copper, potassium, and healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for a balanced diet, and they also help with digestion and keep you full longer. The best part comes in their versatility. You can create diverse dishes using avocados, ensuring that you won't tire out of the taste too much. There are millions of ways to eat avocados: on toast, in a salad, on a sandwich, or just plain old salt and pepper, just to name a few. To explore more avocado recipes, feel free to share your ideas in the comments below, and we can all learn from each other. Number 6. Salmon. It's no surprise that salmon made it to our list, and for a good reason. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fats, which are beneficial for heart health and can help reduce inflammation in the body. It also contains protein and important vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health and well-being. A 2015 study from Kyoto University found that salmon can help convert stubborn white fat cells into fat-burning cells, This, combined with its muscle-building properties, makes it an excellent option to your diet. Did you know about these foods and the amazing benefits before watching? Maybe some, I bet. Well, let's continue and learn more.
Number 5.
Spinach. Did you know that incorporating just 3 cups of spinach into your diet each week can boost your weight loss by up to 10%? A study by the journal Hormones discovered that spinach contains lipoic acid, a compound that can help prevent sugar from being stored as fat in the body. You can easily incorporate spinach into your diet through green juice or by blending it with other foods like fruits and whey protein for a taste you'll get used to over time. Spinach is a nutrient-dense, leafy green vegetable that is rich in vitamins and minerals, including iron and calcium, which are important in bone health and healthy blood cells. Its antioxidants may also help reduce the risk of a chronic disease. I think Popeye might have been onto something.
Number 4.
Milk. I bet you have some milk in your fridge right now, don't you? According to a study in 2007 done by McMaster University, drinking milk is one of the easiest ways to burn fat. In the study, one group of people drank regular milk and the other drank a soy alternative. Now get this, the results were amazing. The group who drank regular milk were able to build 4% more muscle than the group who drank the soy alternative. And lean muscle mass contributes to weight loss and burning fat for energy. Milk is a nutrient-rich food or drink that is a good source of calcium, protein, vitamin D, and other essential vitamins and minerals. It helps maintain strong bones and teeth, supports growth and development in children and adolescents, and may also be associated with a lower risk of certain health conditions such as osteoporosis, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. As you can see, health benefits of milk don't just stop at losing weight. While we're focusing on food in this video, it's important to remember that achieving fitness goals requires a balanced diet and an active lifestyle. Simply being disciplined with your food intake, it won't be enough. That being said, let's keep our focus on foods we're discussing now. If you want to learn more about the ways to lose weight, burn fat, build muscle, and lead to an overall healthy lifestyle, check out some of our other amazing videos here at Healthee. Let's continue with the top 3 fat-burning foods on our list.
Number 3.
Chicken! Eating chicken can be a healthy addition to a weight loss diet. Chicken is a high-protein, low-calorie food that can help you feel full and satisfied, which can reduce overall calorie intake and support weight loss. Additionally, protein is important for building and maintaining muscle mass, which can help increase metabolism and burn more calories at rest. Choosing lean cuts of chicken, such as chicken breast, can help you keep calorie and fat intake low. Grilling, baking, or roasting chicken can also be healthy preparation methods that don't add extra fat or calories. However, it's important to avoid high-calorie and high-fat chicken dishes, such as fried chicken or chicken with creamy sauces, as these can derail weight loss efforts completely. I'm looking at you, Colonel Sanders. Overall, incorporating chicken into a balanced calorie-controlled diet can be a helpful tool for weight loss.
Number 2.
Cinnamon! That's right, cinnamon. Increasing your internal temperature is directly linked to losing weight, and cinnamon can help you with this. Cinnamon contains a component called cinnamaldehyde, which has been shown to activate thermogenesis. This metabolic process helps the body burn calories and produce heat. According to one study, cinnamon was found to increase thermogenesis, the body's production of heat, by up to 20%. Adding cinnamon to your morning oatmeal is a delicious way to boost its health benefits, and you can also use cinnamon in a variety of other recipes to increase its presence in your diet. Don't hesitate to get creative and find new recipes to incorporate this flavorful and health-promoting spice in your meals. And finally,
Number 1.
the number 1 food on our list might just be the most common, or tied with our number 4 food of milk at least. In a 2012 study in the British Journal of Nutrition and 2018 study by the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization showed that eggs boosted metabolic activity, and increased feelings of fullness. Eating an egg-based breakfast may stop a person from consuming extra calories throughout the day, which can help put you in a caloric deficit and lead to weight loss, in addition to the added protein gained by eating eggs. Eggs contain 13 grams of protein each. Doctors suggest that we all should have at least 25 grams of protein every morning, so having just 2 eggs will easily achieve that goal. So if you want to slim down, enjoy some scrambled, hard-boiled, or even some sunny-side-up eggs, well, you can do so, and also be healthy. Here at Healthee, we want to keep you fit, strong, and you guessed it, healthy. If this video helped you out, then you're in for a treat because our next one is gonna knock your socks off. So please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.